Hey guys, my name is Kaila, Kake. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how much money I made off of one of my videos that recently hit 1 million views. It is so crazy that I hit 1 million views. I'm so grateful. So thank you to everyone that has subscribed from that video, that has even watched like 1 second of it. Okay, like I really do appreciate you guys. But today I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how much I made off of that video and how exactly you set your videos up to make money for you. I get a lot of people in my DMs asking me, I want to start YouTube, I just don't know how. I don't know how to set everything up. Like, you know, exactly how do I make YouTube one of my streams of income? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn those post notifications, and follow your girl on Instagram at Kaila Kake, where I will be serving looks. Okay, I posted a fire picture today, y'all. Oh my god, I look so good. But anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so before I get into exactly how much I made and showing you guys like the little receipts or whatever, I really need you guys to listen up and let you guys know exactly how to set up your channel to make it a money maker. Okay, this is so important, and people want to skip to the receipts, and people want to skip to, oh my god, well, I just want to know the number she made. Like, but this is exactly how I did it. So you can't skip this part really and then go to the receipts and like, okay, but what, you know? So if you really want to make some money off YouTube, this is how you do it. So first, I wrote everything down. So if I'm looking down, girl, I wrote down notes because I will go off on a tangent. Number one, monetize your video, and that is basically putting ads on your video. So you know, when you click on your favorite YouTuber's channel and you click on it and there's an ad, boom, she's getting paid, sis. Okay, there's a video in the middle of it, boom, she's getting paid. If you skip it, if you don't, she's getting paid. Sis is getting paid off that ad. Okay, the little ad on the side, she's getting paid. That's all monetization. So now you're like, how the heck do I monetize my video? Like, I don't see the option for it. Well, I think it's 10,000 views that your channel overall has to have for you to be a YouTube partner, and that enables you to monetize your video. So I'm not sure what the number is now. It may still be 10,000, but y'all, YouTube changes the rules all the time. So even if you're over 10,000 views, if you're at 1 million views right now, I'm at like 2 million views overall on my channel, check the YouTube rules because they are forever changing. Okay, that is so important to check them rules because I don't know what they be doing, but they be changing them like every 5 seconds. I can't keep up. Okay, so now you become a YouTube partner and you're like, okay, where the money at? Okay, what's going on? You have to set up a Google AdSense account. So what you basically do is type in Google AdSense in Google and it'll pop up and you just sign up and everything, and then they will mail you like this little code, and you take the code, plug it into your AdSense account, and boom, there you go. You have to fill out like taxes and everything. You have to put in your bank information so that they can direct deposit it when you know you're getting them coins flowing in. So Google will basically tell you everything that you need to do. They'll give you like a step-by-step situation, and you just follow those step-by-steps. If you don't follow those step-by-steps, the money won't come, sis. Okay, all right, so now you're setting up everything and you're like, how the heck do I get these 10,000 views to get these coins, sis? You have to just put out videos. These first few videos that you put out are not going to be monetized because you're gaining those views. I think it's either views or watch time, like in minutes. I'm not entirely sure. Please check those YouTube rules. Like, girl, I don't know. Okay, I've surpassed all that. So, and rules have changed since I started, because when I first started, you become a YouTube partner as soon as you join YouTube. Like, you didn't need to do all that. But just upload some videos or something that you like, a challenge that you want to try with your boyfriend, a prank, something like that, to get those views or those minutes, whatever YouTube requires now. I don't know. They change the rules every 2 seconds. But upload some videos. That's all you really have to do, and promote them so you can get those views or watch time minutes faster, so you can become a YouTube partner, and then you can monetize those videos. Okay, I think my first YouTube video was like me swatching these $1 liquid lipsticks from Shop Miss A. I don't even know if that's still around, but like, that's what I did, and that got so many views. Now back then, like I said, I didn't have to do anything to become a YouTube partner. It was just like right as you join YouTube you could do it, but then they changed the rules, so thank god I got in before all that. But yes, I basically, you know, just did a video that I thought everyone would like, and I got a bunch of views off of it. So just try to, I don't want to say try to go viral because that's like a once-in-a-lifetime thing, but try to upload some things that people you know are going to be interested in. So this is pretty important. Make sure that those videos are YouTube/family friendly, because once you get to the point of monetizing your videos, if you upload something inappropriate or with a cuss word in the title or something like that, YouTube will flag your video, okay? And it'll be a yellow $ in your like right beside your video, meaning the video needs to be reviewed, and until then you're not gonna get no coins. So make sure you're uploading family friendly type of videos. You don't have to be prim and proper. I'm not even prim and proper on my channel, but just make sure that you don't have somebody's booty in the thumbnail, okay? Like, make sure you don't have the word booty in the title or it will get flagged, sis, okay? So just make sure that you're, be yourself, of course, but just make sure that you're not just out here, but just make sure that that thumbnail and that title is still grabbing viewers without being inappropriate, if that makes sense, because YouTube will flag it and not monetize your video. And then you have to go in and manually ask for a review so they can again monetize it. It's a hot mess. So just make sure off the jump you're good. So for the people that want to get deeper into an explanation of how exactly you get paid off of ads on your video, it really depends on so many things. From YouTube, you can get paid through so many different avenues. It's crazy. That's how your favorite YouTubers are out here, like in Rolls Royces and Porsche trucks and stuff, okay? I ain't got there yet, so we're gonna get there one day. But that is like how these YouTubers are making big money. AdSense is not even like, it's not even what people care about no more, okay? Them sponsorships, affiliate links, like merchandise, they're building their own brands and getting money off of that, okay? So AdSense is just one little piece, okay? But just to explain AdSense, you get paid from CPI, which is cost per impression, I believe. Yes, cost per impression. And that basically is every time someone sees an ad on your video, how long they watch the ad, if they interact with it, if they click it, if they purchase something from clicking the ad. Say if they click a shoe ad from ASOS and they buy a pair of shoes from clicking off of your video, okay? Okay, like it's complicated, sis. It's really complicated. And it also depends, the amount that you get from each ad depends on so many things as well. Say if I don't know the exact percentage, but say if Pretty Little Thing shows an ad on my video and they paid YouTube a certain amount of money, you get a little percentage of that money because that ad popped up on your video. So it depends on how much the ad is, how popular your video is, where in the YouTube algorithm you are, which is a hot mess in itself, okay, YouTube. It also depends on if people like watch the whole ad, if they skip the ad, and just your audience in general, you know what I'm saying? If a suitcase brand pops up on my video, it's like, who cares about that? I'm over here talking about lace fronts, okay? We don't care about no suitcase. We need to see wigs, you know what I mean? So that is basically a little bit of explaining how that works. So yeah, it's really complicated, but once you kind of get into it, you'll kind of understand it more and it'll be just fine. Look, even I don't understand everything yet, but you know what? We're gonna get there. We're still researching, and even with anything that you put your all into, you really need to research it. You can't just get on YouTube and start doing it, because you're not gonna reap the benefits at all unless you just want to post videos for fun, which, girl, this is the whole business now, sis, okay? Might as well take advantage of it. So yeah, with all that being said, that's why it's pretty important to tell people to subscribe. It's kind of like a call to action. Tell people to subscribe. Put on the post notifications so they can watch your videos as soon as they upload. Like the video so that it kind of filters to other people like them. Share the video so other people can see your video. That call to action really works, sis, okay? So if you say, hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow your girl on Instagram, because that's my line, you know what I'm saying? People actually do it. So yeah, also a posting schedule really helps with the YouTube algorithm. So I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, just in case you want to come back and show your girl some love, okay? I post every Tuesday, every Thursday, every Saturday, and yeah, that kind of helps with YouTube pushing your video, so they know, oh, here she come, push her on Tuesday, here she come, push her on Thursday, here she come, post her on Saturday. If I post on Monday, they're gonna be like, hold up, wait a minute, we don't know where to put you, sis, but we're gonna put you somewhere. Might be at the bottom, might be at the top, we don't know yet. But you know, every Tuesday they expect me to come, every Thursday they expect me to come, every Saturday. So if that makes sense, you kind of have to like put yourself onto the algorithm of, you have to be consistent. Okay, so that's why I did a schedule, because it kind of forces me to be consistent. All right, so now we're trying to collect the coins. We're trying to see that bank account go up. What's going on? How do we do that? I got you. So what you can do is go to your AdSense account and make sure that all the money that you got is over $100. AdSense has a threshold over $100. If you don't reach $100 by, I think, the 15th of the month, you're not gonna get paid till the next month, sis. So even if you reach like $98 on the 15th, but you reach 102 on the 18th, you're not gonna get paid until the next month. So you have to reach $100 by the 15th, I think. I'm not sure if they changed that, but from my understanding, it's the 15th. So I think the first time that I think it took me about 3 months to reach $100. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And after I reached that, I think my first check was like around $120, and I thought I was rich. Okay, because I was young and I thought I had some bands coming in, and I thought the next month it was just gonna go up and go up and go up. The next month I didn't get paid, and then the next month I didn't get paid again, and then the next month I finally got paid, and I was like, yes, but it wasn't $120 something. It was like $102. Okay, so YouTube is not consistent. So that's why I said in the beginning, make sure that you have multiple streams of income, because YouTube is not consistent, and you're gonna find out in just a second when you find out how much I made on 1 million views compared to other people. So you're like, okay, how do I get paid every month though? Because this, like, 1 month here and then 3 months later I'm getting paid, that ain't gonna work for me. So what you have to do, what I did, is I actually went into my YouTube studio, went into the analytics, and started to see a pattern. Like, what do my audience like? What do my subscribers like? And they have a bunch of little line charts and graphs and all that type of stuff. You can click on a bunch of stuff to figure out what's what. It breaks it down to the core. Okay, so just make sure you're paying attention and you actually look at those things. So yeah, whatever, just make sure that you are paying attention to all of the analytics on those videos, your overall analytics on individual videos, because that's going to help you. It's going to help you pretty much like see what people are coming to your channel for, so you can produce that content so you can get paid every month. Okay, because you're not gonna get paid off a video that has no views. Trust me, I know. So yeah, just make sure that you're putting out content that people like, that your audience likes, and you're good, sis. You might get paid every month. Okay, so currently my curly to straight video, the one that got over 1 million views, is at 1,082,443 views. I have 1,471 comments, 28,632 likes, and I don't know how many dislikes I had because it won't show. It's like reaching off the page. Oh, and 878 likes. So fuck y'all. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how much I made off of this freaking video. It's so crazy. Like, I think it's so crazy. In the lifetime of this video, I have made $4,756.78. Okay, let me tell you why it's so low. And you're like, oh my god, you got $4,000? Like, no girl, that ain't no money. Okay, like, what? I've seen so many people make like $13,000 off of 1 million views. I've seen people make $2,000. I've seen people make like $20,000, and it all depends on everything that I just said earlier. That $4,000 came over a span of, you know, many months, aka almost, I think, 11 months now. So I didn't see it all at one time, and you will not see it all at one time. The first month might be, you know, a little hefty. It was a nice little check. I think my first month check was like $700, but after that it just kind of just like blended in with everything, because I kept uploading. I kept, you know, pushing videos so that people, all the people that were coming to subscribe, had something else to watch. So then my channel started growing and growing and growing. So I will say, if you have a viral video, don't stop there. Keep going, keep uploading content like that. If you get a viral upload, please just keep going. Don't stop and think you got a little $700 you could quit YouTube. No, boo. Okay, because that amount will go up if you keep going. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'm not really like feeling any type of way about sharing how much I made, because it's only one video. It's not, you know, like telling you guys how much I make every month, because it has gotten so much better, and because I've uploaded so much more. Like, I gave the people that came here something to watch. So just make sure that you're doing that and you keep going. Even if the next video only gets 1,000 views, keep going. Don't be discouraged, because I definitely was. I think my next video, I don't even know what my next video was, but I know it didn't get no 1 million views, sis, okay? So just keep going. And don't worry about the numbers. Just keep posting things that you really like, and posting things that people that ask for. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you and lets you know how much you can make off of YouTube. This is just an estimate. Everyone is so different, and every video is different. It really just depends on the content of your video, how long your video is, the ads on your video. It depends on so many freaking things. And if I made this video now, I feel like I would make more money, because I just know more about, you know, the YouTube game. You know what I'm saying? I know more now than I did a year ago. So hopefully one of my recent videos makes 1 million views, and I can do this video all over again and kind of show you guys the difference. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully you found it very, very helpful, and hopefully you try it out in your journey to starting YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.